Hello friends, we will move into the second topic, which is dermal tissue. So dermal tissue is being found on the entire surface of the plant, whether it is a leaf or a stem or a root. The surface of leaf or a stem or a root is made up of dermal tissue. In this diagram you can look in on the leaf surface, this is dermal tissue. On the stem the surface is dermal tissue, whereas in the root surface as well as the surface of root hair it is dermal tissue. Before getting into the topic, we will look into how the dermal tissue is being found in a Rio leaf. We will do an experiment to see the dermal tissue in the Rio leaf. For this activity you can take a Rio leaf or else a beetle leaf. Beetle leaf is the leaf which is being used in a pawn shop. The first step to do the activity is take a beetle leaf, tear it in a single stroke. So by doing so, you will find a thin edge which can be seen at the tone end, which is generally white in color, which is the external membrane of the leaf. So observe that particular edge where the leaf has been torn under the microscope. You find certain kinds of cell arrangement, which is, even this is an image of a Rio leaf which is been observed under the microscope. So does the cells look similar? I don't think so. There are some certain square shaped cell, there are certain cells which are smaller in size, and certain cells are in rectangular shape, right? There are even cells which are looking like eye shape. These are stomata openings of a leaf, from where the carbon dioxide is being absorbed by the plant and oxygen is being released. So dermal tissue is being divided into three types. One is epidermis, which is the outermost layer. Second one is mesodermis, which is the middle layer, and the third one is endodermis, which is the innermost layer. Sometimes the walls of the dermal tissue is being thicker in size, which you can find in the desert plants, where the walls of the leaf, the external part of the leaf is thick in order to avoid transpiration of water from the leaf. Sometimes you might have observed that there is some kind of a sticky substances which are coming out of the trunks or branches of a plant, such as neem and acacia. This is the gum which is being secreted by the plant, which is being released by the plant, and it is also known as some of the waste substances of the plant which the plant won't use and release in the form of excretory substance. The main role of the dermal tissue is it protects the plant from loss of water, because if the dermal tissue is thicker, if the external layer is thick, so it avoids the transpiration, that is the evaporation of water from the plant. The same can be observed in the desert plants, where the external layer would be generally thick so as to avoid the evaporation of water from the plant. Dermal tissue also provide protection against mechanical damages such as breaking of the branches. It provides a kind of support to the branches. In some trees there are several layers of dermal tissue, and which is known as the bark. So the bark is, you can observe the bark, which is the external layer of the stem or branch of the plant which comes off, and this is made up of several layers. Generally the bark can be observed in a bigger trees have generally thick layer of bark. And you can observe in the diagram, leaf has a dermal tissue as well, which also contains the stomata openings, which helps in absorption and release of gases, whereas stem which have the dermal tissue provides strength to the branches, whereas the root, which has the dermal tissues, helps in absorbing water from the soil.